Hey everyone, sorry I haven't vlogged much of what's going on today. You can see I'm at JapFest today at Silverstone. I've had a bit of a drama of a morning. So I started at 4 o'clock this morning. That's when I woke up because it's a fairly long drive, quite a long way to go, and we had to be there for 7 in the morning. So I started off, gave my car a bit of a shakedown, ran it through a couple of the gears, high revs, just to, you know, give it a shakedown, see what happened. Started getting this really horrible oil burning smell, very, very strongly. Way stronger than I've ever smelt it, and I know VTEC engines do kick up a bit of oil, but not that much. So I stop at the first like convoy stop, check it out, can't see that much. So I'm like, okay, I'm only going to be cruising up relatively slowly, so I'll just you know, take my time. Get to the second spot, again, can't really see much. Oh, sorry, before we get to the second stop, as we're leaving the first stop, car throws an engine light. Yay! So car throws an engine light. Luckily I have an OBD2 Bluetooth reader that I can read codes and stuff and other things. Plug it in, car's running rich. And there's a bunch of white smoke coming out of the exhaust. It's like, great. Why? Running rich isn't a major issue, but it is kind of annoying. It doesn't look great. Can damage your engine in the long run. So, managed to clear the code with my OBD2 reader, and it goes away. It doesn't come back. Reset the car, turn it off, turn it on. Doesn't come back. Not running rich anymore. Okay, don't know what fixed it, but whatever. Leave the services. 2 miles down the road. Oil light comes on. Yay! Again. I'm like, I've just checked the oil. And I just checked the oil when I got to that services. It was fine. So either it's all just gone, bottomed out, like come out the bottom, or it's a faulty sensor or something. Anyway, so yeah, I check it, pull over in the side bit of the A road, check it, it's fine. Loads of oil. Loads and loads of oil. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Again, I turn it off, turn it on, oil light goes away. I carry on. Get to the second spot, meet up with a few more people and head on into Silverstone. Luckily, on our club stand, there is a mechanic. As I was saying, sorry guys, I had to pause it then. Yeah, on our stand is a mechanic. Actually, the mechanic who had the rocker cover off in the last time. Well, not him, but the place he works. So I was lucky enough that that he was there. He diagnosed it and said, yeah, you're having a leak from the rocker cover on this corner. I was like, okay, I've got 2 sessions booked to go on to track at Silverstone. Am I safe to do it? Oil level doesn't seem to be dropping at all, if any, but I am getting a massive burning oil smell from the manifold. I think it's from the manifold. So, how it stands at the moment is I ran around all of Silverstone, pretty much. Finally ended up in race control, who guided me to a Motor Factors parts supplier on the outskirts of Silverstone. Ran over there. Actually, one of them was very kind enough to actually drive me over there, though I had to walk myself back. So I got driven in a race control vehicle over to there because they were really nice, and managed to find some gasket sealant, silicone stuff, some brake cleaner, some tissues like some cloth rags, a razor blade to scrape off excess silicone, etc. Got back, stripped off the rocker cover off the top of my engine, resealed it and put it back together again. Ran over to the track times thing. My first track session was supposed to be due at 10:40. I finished this at 10:30, so I did not have time to make the track session. Ran over to the track thing, thought, right, can I rebook my track thing? Can I reschedule it for later? Yeah, that's fine. You can go on at 2 o'clock. Brilliant. So I'm now going on at 2 o'clock. I've let the silicone bond and seal for a while. I've turned the car over. It all runs. I've not revved it up yet. I want to make sure the silicone's gone off as much as possible. And come 2 o'clock, I'll go on track and see if it works. Wish me luck. Hey guys, change of t-shirt. I've got to have long sleeves on for track, which explains that. So I've just been on track twice. The engine held up. No leak. Well, very, very minor misting of leaks. Nothing to worry about. Nothing that's going to cause me any issues driving it daily. Yeah, I will upload that track footage. I'll put if you want to go see that track footage, there'll be a link to my car YouTube channel, FN2 Track, in the comments below. Get my words out properly. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, check out that link. But I'll probably put up a little teaser here. The second session was so much better. Like, the first session got cut short. Mitsubishi caught fire. Second session, there was GTRs and GT86s sliding out in front of me. So yeah, if you want to go see both sets of those track footages, go check them out. Link below. But I'll be heading off soon. I'm going to grab myself some professional photography merchandise that has been taken off my car on the track, if they've got any good ones. And I'll see you guys soon. It's been an interesting day, stressful day. I've learnt a few things, but I've had a lot of fun. But I'm knackered. So see you guys soon. Bye for now.